Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a wearable glam look for you guys because I know I've been doing a lot of like super dark colors or really colorful looks or just kind of intricate looks, and this is a more simple eyeshadow look for you. So if you would like to see how to create this look, please keep watching. So to start this look, I'm going to be priming my face using Too Faced's Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using Covergirl's True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade T30 Warm Honey. And I'm going to mix that with MAC's Hyper Real Foundation in Rose Gold. Just for that little glow. So I'm just going to use my little concealer brush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A2. To mix it up and dot it on my face. I'm just going to use this Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend that in. So next I'm going to do my concealer, and I'm going to be going in with MAC's 24 Hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer. And I'm going to be using that in shade NC35. And to set this, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'm going to apply this with this Huda Beauty Face Bake and Blend brush. I'm using the fluffy side. I'm also going to apply this on my lid and set it. I'm also going to use this powder to set the rest of my face, and I'm just going to use this big fluffy Morphe brush. There's no number on it, it just says Morphe. So next I'm just going to warm up my face using Benefit's Hula bronzer. And I'm going to be using this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush to apply this. I'm also going to use this bronzer to contour my nose, and I'm going to be using it on this Sigma E45 brush. I'm going to use that same brush I used for my under eyes to just blend that out. And then before my eyebrows, I'm just going to do some blush, and I'm going to be using Benefit's Gold Rush. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using Morphe's Micro Brow Pencil, and this one is in Chocolate Mousse. And I want to do this pretty natural. With my concealer brush, I'm going to take a bit of that concealer that I used under my eyes and just shape up the bottom of my brow. Okay, so next for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with this Natasha Denona Camel palette. So quickly, I'm just going to reset my eyelid. And I'm going to go in with Safari as my transition shade. I'm going to be using this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill GH30 blending brush for that. Just going to blend that into my crease. We don't want these colors to be too heavy since this is trying to be a more wearable glam look. I'm going to use the same brush and go in with Arasto. So next, to deepen up my crease just a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with Zand on this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 crease brush. I'm just going to take that right into the crease and the outer V as well. So now on my lid, I'm going to blend Copper Stone into Dune. I'm going to be applying that with that same concealer brush, and I'm going to wet it using this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer. I'm just gonna wet it. And I'm just gonna drag my brush so that it kind of like blends upward. So now I'm gonna grab some of that Copper Stone and spray that as well. So I'm just going to grab a little bit more of that Zand. And blend it into the copper. So I'm going to use that same JH37 brush and take some Zand and apply that under my eye. Then I'm going to use this JH43 brush. It's just a little thin smudgy liner brush. I think it's for liner or maybe for brows. I don't know. But I'm going to use this and just take some of that Arasto and just kind of put that on the lash line. And I'm just going to blend that out. And then for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm just gonna put on some of that Dune. My inner corner, I'm just gonna use my pinky. And then for my brow bone, I'm just gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush. Just gonna grab a little bit of that. So next I'm going to be doing eyeliner, and I'm going to be using Tarte's Tarteist Double Take Liner. And I'm going to use the pen end. So next I'm going to put on some lashes, and I'm going to be using L'Amour lashes, L'Amour, I don't know how to say it, L'Amour lashes, and this is in Juliette. They're falling off a little bit, but that's fine. So while those lashes are drying, I'm just going to do my highlight, and I'm going to be using Tarte Cosmetics Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And I'm going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. I always use my finger just to blend it out a little bit better. Sometimes I have a harsh line going into my contour and I hate that. And for my nose highlight, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. And then the Cupid's bow. Alright, I'm gonna fix up my eyeliner in case anything's messed up. So for mascara, I'm just going to go in with Buxom's Big Tease. So lastly for lips, I'm going to line my lips using MAC's Boldly Bare Liner and Lancome's Sea, Sand, and Sun Matte Shaker. Just going to take any foundation I have on my lips off. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for all the love and support you guys all give me on my videos and on my Instagram posts. It means so much to me. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Hopefully you guys like this look. I really wanted to do a more wearable glam, you know, it's not too dark, not too much. You don't have to put on lashes if you don't want to. I honestly liked it without lashes, but in pictures it just shows up better with lashes. So hopefully you guys did like it and want to come back for more. Hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.